सर दो चीजें हैं सर। एक सर एप्स्टीन केस सर 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं।
Speaker sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
मिस्टर चेयर
to Epstein.
मिस्टर राहुल नो, इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
हरदीप पुरी है सर।
रानी हो।
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here. He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता।
Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is the central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के
Why, sir?
कोई सदस्य नहीं, जिस पे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे संभाल देंगे? और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को।
Sir, Mr. Adani is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं, कहाँ नहीं, क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP. Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question, why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files.
एक तो
That's why he's not in jail.
राहुल जी, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
मिस्टर चेयर
to Epstein.
मिस्टर राहुल नो,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
And
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who
आप
introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
हरदीप पुरी है, सर।
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता। और आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लीजिए, a member while speaking shall not refer to any matter of fact on which a judicial decision pending may make a provisional and for use offensive expressions about the conduct of proceeding of the parliament in any state, reflect on any determination of the house except motion, and reflect upon the conduct of persons in high authority unless the discussion is based on a subsequent. So please आप जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न लें।
Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain his whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, how I can allow you? No. No, you are mentioning it. How if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul ji.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पर ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir.
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
I
Speaker,
think so
sir.
why you are just
Speaker, sir.